In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. We'll build a clear, reliable chat workflow that listens for messages, routes them to an AI agent powered by a language model, uses memory and helpful tools for reasoning, math, and web search, and then returns a polished reply to the user. We begin with the When Chat Message Received node. Think of this as the entry door to your assistant. The moment someone sends a message in the chat interface, this node triggers the workflow and passes the message into the system. It can also load recent conversation history, so the assistant understands context instead of treating each message as brand new. If your platform supports sessions, make sure messages are associated with the correct session, so context stays tidy and private. Next, add the AI agent node. This is the brain of the operation. It reads your system instructions, receives the user's message, and decides what to do next. The agent chooses which connected tool to use, coordinates the steps behind the scenes, and assembles the final answer. Keep your instructions clear and concise so the agent knows your preferred tone, level of detail, and formatting. Now connect the Google Gemini chat model node. This is the large language model that powers the agent's understanding and generation. It interprets user intent, drafts responses, and evaluates whether it should call a tool. Adjust parameters like temperature to balance creativity with accuracy, favoring lower values for consistent, factual outputs. Add the simple memory node to preserve recent conversation turns. This helps the assistant follow up naturally. Set a sensible window size so it remembers enough to stay coherent without exceeding token limits. Clear or reset memory when a conversation truly ends to avoid carryover between users. Include the Think Tool node to support structured reasoning before answering. This encourages the agent to analyze multi-step problems carefully, improving accuracy on complex queries. Use it selectively to keep latency reasonable. Bring in the Calculator tool node for exact arithmetic. Anytime the user asks about totals, percentages, or financial figures, the agent can compute precise results instead of estimating. Encourage consistent units and clean number formatting. Add the SerpApi API tool node for real-time information. When the user needs current facts or definitions, the agent can fetch reliable results and ground its answer. Configure it responsibly and consider citing sources in the final response. Finally, return the response to the user. The agent compiles findings from the model and any tools, writes a clear, helpful message, and sends it back through the chat. With this, your conversation loop is complete and ready for real users.